Okay, guys, so I'm here with a cool passing call on KF. And the passing call is taking us to our 4 round F, which is. Now let me play it. Very simple. So it's just like this. Let me just do as if I'm playing a song. It sounded like a familiar song. It's just to do fine. What you have to do is measure it to your. So like this, then add your solado, or if you like, you can add your solado mi. So it will not sound like this. It's a very sweet chord to take it to your 4. So have it to your playing and enjoy.